working all day long with your computer, then I find out something very interesting today. There is like keyboard shortcut. If you know the keyboard shortcut, then you can make your work like easier, faster and smarter. So the people who knows like the shortcut key, they can work faster than anybody else. You can do it too. You can work a lot faster than before if you know the keyboard shortcut. So I will show you like lot of shortcut keys today, so that is how you can make your work easier. So first of all, there are some keys in keyboard. Some of them called function keys, some of them called like number key, arrow keys, alphabet key. I think everybody knows. At the first row it says like F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. Those are called like function key. And over here some of them it says like there are 4 arrow, those are called arrow key. Those are number key, like 1 2 3, those are number key, and those are alphabet key, A to Z. And there is a special key in there that is called Windows key. You will see it between Control and Alt. That is like Windows key. And this is like shortcut. Also there is another key, it's called like shortcut key. You can use it a lot if you know how to use it. And suppose you working in a program and like you want to minimize all the window, then how you can minimize all the window like without there are 2 ways you can minimize the window. There at top right hand corner there is a minimize icon. You can click on it, or you can use your keyboard to minimize all the windows. So how you gonna do it? Click on the press on Windows keys and M, then all the windows will be like minimized. You will only see your desktop. I'm gonna show you like how it is. First of all, I just want to see like what's the shortcut key. So press like Windows key and M key, then all the windows will be minimized. Next thing, like after you minimize the all windows whatever you're working on, then how you gonna restore it by without touching mouse? You can do it using keyboard. So press like Windows key, Shift key and M key all together, then it's gonna be restored all the minimized windows. The next thing is like Windows plus E key. If you press Windows and E key, your My Computer box will show up. Then you can easily like explore which folder you wanna go. The next thing, like it says Windows and L key, it's gonna lock your user account. Suppose you have one or multiple user accounts, so if you want to lock one of your user account, then how you gonna do it? If you do it by manually like using mouse, there's a lot of work. But if you do it on Windows, just press the Windows key and L key, then your the user account will be locked. You can sign in and log in again if you want. The next thing is like Windows and R. We do a lot of things on run button. Like if you click on Windows and run, then it's gonna run in your computer. So it is very essential key. Like press like Windows key and R key, then you will see like how the run box showed up. The next thing is like Alter F4. This thing like close. Suppose you working in a Microsoft Word, Excel, like any of the program. If you press like Alter F4, then your program will be closed. And suppose you seeing like desktop, not any application open, then how? If you press like Alter and F4, then your computer will be shut off. The main thing is like if you click Alter and F4, then whatever is displayed is gonna be closed off. This window will be closed off. And if you want to shut down your computer or switch one user to another user, then you can use like Alter, Control and Delete. There are a lot of if you combine those three, and then you will see like taskbar or switch user, or you can lock your computer using those three key. The next thing is like F2 function key. Suppose there is a file you want to rename it. How you gonna rename it? You have to select the file and right button, and then you have to go to the rename option, and then you have to give it a name and rename it. But from the keyboard there is a shortcut key, like if you just select the folder or file and press F2, and then you will see like rename box will show up. Then you can just type and rename it. It's lot easier than like the mouse one. Just try it. I will show you guys how you can do it. Next thing is like F5. Suppose if you want to refresh your computer, then you want if you just press like F5, it's gonna refresh automatically. You can do it by mouse, like right click and go to refresh. It's like more work. Just press on F5, it's gonna refresh your computer. And tab key, like it's gonna move from one place to another place. One is like suppose if you click on tab, it's gonna go to Q, W, R, like one place to other place, one folder to other folder, one drive to other drive. That's how it's work, the tab key. Also if you press like shift and tab, it's gonna go backward, and if you just hit the tab, it's gonna go forward. The next thing is like that's the thing I told you about at the beginning. It's like shortcut key. If you just click on this one, you will see a shortcut menu will pop up, and then you can select like what you wanna do. The other next thing is like Control C. If you wanna copy something, then you can click on Control C. If you wanna cut something, then you can click Control X. And if you want to paste it the copied things, then you just press like Control V. It will be pasted to wherever you want. And if you want to save something, you just press like Control S. And escape bar, like if you working something and not sure like how you gonna escape, how you gonna come out from this program, you just click on ESC, and then you can come out. Backspace is usually used for like you want to delete one word or one letter, then you can use the backspace like to move something. Next thing is delete. If you want to delete something, then you just select the thing and press delete. It's gonna be deleted. And that's another really important keyboard function that's called numlock. Suppose you just turn on your computer, and then the light of the numlock is off, then this at the right hand side, this number not gonna work. If you press those number, it's not gonna work. So if you want to make this number work, you have to press the numlock and make sure this green light is on. If this green light is off, that means your numlock not gonna work. So if you press just numlock, the light gonna work. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys right now, like practically whatever I just told. Suppose that's my PowerPoint, and then I want to minimize this PowerPoint without touching mouse. So how I'm gonna do it? Just press like Windows and M. See, it's got minimized. And this minimized PowerPoint, how I'm gonna restore it? Just press like Windows Shift and M. It's gonna be restore again. So that's the two option I told about on the keyboard lecture. So I'm just showing you guys like how you can use minimize. So minimized. And the other option was like Alter F4. Suppose there is no Windows open, just my desktop. So if I press like Alter F4, my computer is gonna ask you to, if you wanna shut down your computer, look, called Control Alt F4. See, my Windows 8 showed up, and it's asking me like update and shut down. If you click on OK, then it's gonna be it's gonna shut it down. So the other option was I told about like tab key. Suppose, see, I press tab, is the little box is went to the OK. If I press again tab, then it's gonna go to cancel. If I hit again tab, it's gonna go to help. So I'm gonna go backwards. So just press like shift tab. See, from help to cancel, shift tab, OK. So it's going back and forth. That's how you can use your keyboard like very easily. So if I want to do the cancel, just 2 times tab and hit enter. Then see, this dialog box is gone. I didn't touch my mouse. So the other option we saw, I showed you guys. Suppose I want to rename this file. See, this file is like 2222. I wanted to give it a name. So I'm gonna do it. Just select this file and press F2. See, it's already highlighted. So put like give it a name like DIALOG1. See, then hit enter. So the name got changed. The name got changed. So it's very easy. Instead of clicking on right click and then you have to go rename, it's like more work than mouse. What else we showed in PowerPoint project? Okay, let me check. I showed you how to Windows minimized, how to restore the window, how to explore. Okay, I didn't show you how to explore. Suppose you want to go your my computer. See, that's the page. If you want to go, okay, cross it out. So just press like Windows E. Then this page is gonna show up. Then you can choose whatever you want. You can go this page. If you wanna go anytime, if you wanna use this page, you can use like Windows E. That's like really important feature in keyboard. Okay, next thing, Control L. It's gonna lock your user account. I'm gonna not show you guys because I'm recording video now, so you can do it your own. I have to restart it again. Control R, Windows R. It's gonna run the run box. Suppose if you hit like Windows and R, see the run dialog box showed up. Now you can run anything from there. Next thing is Alt F4. I already showed like how it's gonna close your window. F2, F5, F refresh. I hope everybody understand everything. Like those are the main feature in computer in keyboard. If you know those shortcut key, it's gonna be it will like help you guys a lot in your practical world. Like just use this like couple of days and then you will see the difference between using keyboard and the mouse. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you really enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, leave a comment, and don't forget to put a like on my video. Thank you very much.